The use of circular arc coding tools. It can code the angle, radius, and arc length of the arc. So first of all, let's look at the radius of the code. Use the arc coding tool to click its arc. Pop-up dialog box. Direct selection of file difference. Enter the difference between this radius. Click average size. OK. Then we will interpolate according to the radius you set. Put the code on it. The second is to click on the arc. We change its angle directly at the angular position. Click average size. You can see that its angle changes automatically. We click OK. If there is any more, we choose behind the arc. Find the length. Click through. Enter the value you want. Click on the average size to confirm. What about here? It is to use this arc length as a reference to code. That's how to use our arc coding tool.